Procure to pay versus contract to pay systems. Which one is better for finance teams? Finance teams face constant pressure to streamline spending, ensure compliance, and maintain visibility across operations. Many get confused between Procure to pay (PV) and contract to pay (CE) systems, but here's the surprising truth: each solves a different part of the financial workflow. Procure to pay systems manage the full procurement lifecycle. They start with purchase requests, route approvals, issue purchase orders, and manage invoice payments. For example, a PE platform ensures that every purchase is approved, tracked, and reconciled, reducing errors and unauthorized spending. These systems improve operational efficiency and provide clear audit trails for compliance. Contract to pay systems, by contrast, center around obligations defined in contracts. They help finance teams track contractual terms, manage milestone-based payments, and automate recurring payments. For instance, if your company signed a vendor agreement with quarterly deliverables, a CP system ensures payments are only made when conditions are met. This protects against overpayment and mitigates legal and financial risk. Key difference: PE optimizes the procurement workflow from request to payment, while CE ensures contractual obligations are accurately enforced. One focuses on process efficiency, the other on risk mitigation. For finance teams, the ideal strategy often combines both. PE systems streamline everyday purchases, while CE systems manage strategic contracts with vendors. Together, they provide end-to-end visibility, reduce errors, and maintain compliance across all spend. In conclusion, choosing between Procure to pay and contract to pay isn't an either-or decision. Leveraging both ensures finance teams can control operational spend while honoring contracts accurately, boosting efficiency, compliance, and overall financial health.